Hello everyone, this is Kalpana working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Today second AD, we students is going to present a case study on banking system. They are going to explain the role of data structures in banking system, like what is the purpose of stack, queue, tree ADT and graph ADT in developing a banking system. Let's begin the session.
Hello everyone, I am Shantini from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today I am here to present a case study on banking system with transaction history. This project aims to demonstrate how data structure and algorithm concepts are applied to manage the data efficiently in banking environment. In traditional banking, storing and managing data in logs and manually leads to error and it takes more time. So we should use data efficiently to store, search and update the transaction. We should use data efficiently for managing the transaction of all the customers.
This is a system which is working like a small banking account. It allows users to transactions the amount from one to another, and we just use some data structures to organize and make correct transaction. In this we use stack, queue, array, linked list, hash map. Array and linked list stores the user's details, and stack stores the transaction which shows the latest transaction. Queue just handle the customers in one by one order. Hash map used to search the user with using the account number, and the algorithmic logic or the search method used to search the account details by using the account number, and we just use the update to update the transaction balance amount in the user, and it shows in the reverse order.
I am Samyukta from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I am going to explain about features, implementation and challenges in banking system. Now the features are secure login creation, next deposit, withdrawal and transfer options, automatic transaction history in stack stored. Example, now the user deposits 5,000 rupees in his account. Now balance is updated as 5,000 rupees plus balance. Now it is stored in stack as will store in reverse chronological order. Next, challenges. Managing multiple data simultaneously and avoid overflow in the stack.
I am here to tell about the testing, time complexity and about the banking system. The test cases are unit testing and integration testing and edge case testing. Unit testing checks all three operations like withdrawal, deposit and transfer of data, and integration tests all the system functions, like when two operations handles simultaneously, it will give the correct input and output, like withdrawal and deposits are currently accessing some simultaneous actions. It will provide error-free inputs. And edge case testing is like check the invalid inputs and insufficient balance. Time complexity of banking system. each operation in time complexity, all operations in time complexity in banking system has the same time complexity as order of 1, which in which all the operations are in constant time, and banking system in DSA, data structure and algorithm, efficiently using transaction management.
So for second AD, these students have discussed about the case study on banking system. They have explained about the role of stack, queue and hash maps for designing the banking system.